Hey, what's up guys? This is Johnny from Gold Star Pressure Wash. I'm going to show you guys how I blow out my pressure washer and all of my hoses with air. So this right here is a garden hose to quick connect fitting, connected to a yellow banjo fitting, which is 3/4, and then I have a 3/4 banjo plug fitting. I plug this in, and that hooks up this teed into my feed line, which goes into the pressure washer. Goes right into the pressure washer. All right. So what I got to do is I just hook this up into this fitting. The air hose is hooked up. Let me just turn my ball valve. So that's going, the air is going into the pressure washer and it comes out right here. Flow Pro bypass. I'll leave it on until I don't see any water. All right, looks like it's all out. All right, it's all empty, so here's the fittings that you need if you want to blow out your pressure line. And this is for the garden hose.